So we're caught up in drama. Everybody's talking, everybody's talking. We're caught up in problem. Everybody's talking, everybody's talking.
Hello guys, this is Chris. Hope everybody's doing alright tonight. I'm back again with another video. Tonight we're going to take a look at another build review on a great looking build I just came across. It is the SG Elite build. It's brand new, and it comes from the Ares wizard, which is an amazing wizard. If you all haven't checked it out, I'm going to show you guys a little bit about that as well. But I'm going to show you guys how to download it and install it and do the review on the build here in just a second. Just want to give a quick shout out to everybody that is subscribing and watching my videos. Thank you guys so much for all the care and the love. I really appreciate that. If this is your first time actually happening across our channel, and I do say our because once you become a member and subscribe, you truly are a member. You know, we have a great group of people that I just love having on board, and you know, and we make it fun. So definitely want to click on the link below and hit subscribe. Become a member. You don't want to miss out on any chances of winning the contest, which I actually am going to be doing the next video. That's kind of your hint there, guys. So I'll go into more details when that that video is made. But the number one way to actually have a chance of winning the contest is you actually have to be a subscriber. Now the good thing is we'll be giving away an H96 Pro Plus, which is a really cool device. I did a review on it, so if you want to check a few videos back, you can see what it's all about. But I'll actually be giving that away and also be shipping it to you guys for free. So you don't have to worry about a thing, you just have to watch the videos. So that's the number one reason for subscribing, becoming a member of our team. I also do a lot of build reviews and streaming device reviews as well, and then we give those devices away. I've got another one that just came in the mail today. I'm going to be doing a review on it. I'm going to kind of refrain from saying the name now, and that way it'll be a surprise when I actually do the video. But let's go ahead and get started, guys. Yes, we are on a Kodi 17.5 Krypton. There's a lot of videos out there saying how to download it, how to download it. It's really simple, guys. All you have to do is, if you have an Android device, all you have to do is download Kodi from the Google Play Store, and it will automatically update it for you guys. So when the new configurations or the new Kodis come out, the new versions, you actually won't have to do anything. It'll automatically download it for you and update it. So it's that simple. But if you want to go to Kodi.tv, you can do that as well. And all you have to do is select your device and your running system, and basically from there you just have to download it and install it that way as well. But it's a lot simpler. Like I said, I didn't do a thing. It was automatically updated for me through the Google Play Store, which is really nice. So, but like I said, we're on the 17.5 right now. So we're going to start out with a fresh build, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go up to the gearbox. Go ahead and click enter. One last thing before I continue on here. Make sure you click on that bell too. That way you'll be notified of any new videos that I come out with. I've been trying to do a better job of getting them out quicker. I had a kind of a little lapse these last 5 days just because I've had to work every day. And it's probably going to be the same this way too for this week. But I'll try to get them in to you guys as soon as I can. But remember, the next one is going to be the contest giveaway. Alright, so we're going to go all the way to System Settings. Go ahead and click Enter. Then down to Add-ons. We're going to click to the right. Down to Spaces to Unknown Sources. From here you want to click Enter. That's going to bring up a warning box, and you just want to hit Yes. That'll allow you to download any add-ons or builds to Kodi. So once that's clicked on, then you want to go ahead and click Backspace. And then we're going to go down to File Manager. Go ahead and click Enter. Down to Add Source. Then we're going to click Enter one more time, and you're going to type in the Ares Wizard location, which is going to be http:// Ares, ARES. Change your characters and then go up to the hyphen. Then back to the alphabet and repo dot or period EU. Okay. Once we have the name in there correctly or the source location in there correctly, go ahead and click OK. Then we're going to go down to enter a name section. Go ahead and click enter. And then I'm just going to name it Aries. You can name it whatever you want. It's up to you. Alright, so once you've got your name in there, go ahead and click all the way to the right. Click OK. And then scroll down once and hit OK again. As you can see, Aries sources in there. Now, if you come up with any errors or anything like that, that's a good bet or a good sign that you actually have entered it wrong. So you have to go back and actually edit. And all you would have to do that is press the press your select button there or enter button, long press it, and then just go ahead and click edit source there. Boy, I cannot talk at all tonight. I don't know what the problem is. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and backspace twice, and then we're going to go all the way down to add-ons. Go ahead and click enter. And then up to the install box, go ahead and click enter. And we're going to scroll down to install from zip file, go ahead and click enter. Down one to Aries, go ahead and click enter. And then down one again, click enter. Okay, we're going to give it a minute, and as you can see, the Aries project add-on install box pops up. Alright, once you've got that, scroll up and then hit install from repository, and then down 2 spaces to Aries project, and then down 3 spaces to program add-ons, and then down once to Aries wizard. Go ahead and click enter, and then install. As you can see, it says Aries wizard add-on installed, and then you have the little check mark out to the side of Aries wizard. Once you see that, go ahead and click enter, and then scroll all the way to where you see open and go ahead and click enter. Okay, it's going to do its thing and download the wizard, and then it's going to start loading. Aries wizard has all kinds of different builds. So, you know, like me, when I was first starting out, that's actually how I became very knowledgeable on this whole Kodi, you know, community and everything else. Is by downloading these builds. I became more Kodi technologically advanced, I guess you could say. I would go in, browse builds, pick a build I wanted, download it, then I'd have to learn how to do a fresh start, and then I'd go back and download another one, then learn how to do a fresh start, and then, you know, it's really simple over time. I've had a couple people ask me, what's the best and quickest way to delete a build, and honestly that is to go back out to your main device's main homepage, then go to settings, and then from settings select Kodi. From Kodi, go ahead and delete the cache and delete your data, and that will automatically delete everything and restart you. That's the easiest way, guys. But anyway, now there's all kinds of things with the Aries wizard. There's tweaks, backups, there's more settings, maintenance. You can browse add-ons if you want to just download the add-ons alone. You can do that by itself. If you click on that, it has video add-ons, program add-ons, all kinds of good things. There's Kodi forks and modified version, Android games. So a lot of things actually in this wizard that make it so wonderful. But just check it out and you'll see what I mean. But we're going to go into browse builds, go ahead and click enter. And then we're going to go all the way down till we see SG. There you go, SG build. Go ahead and click enter. And then we're going to go down to one that says SG Elite new for Kodi 17. So we're going to go ahead and click enter. As you can see, it's 220.25 millibytes, okay, or megabytes, excuse me. The megabytes actually are great because if you're around anywhere from 180 to about probably 300, all devices should work properly with that. So all you have to do to find that out is just press the build that you want, and it gives you the size right there, and then it automatically takes you to install and just hit enter. Now this is pretty cool here. If you have any favorites from previous builds or sources or source add-ons that you don't want deleted, or add-on settings, you can actually save them just by clicking on each one of these, and it will do that for you. But I don't have anything because we started from a fresh Kodi. So from here you just want to hit proceed. Okay, it's going to start downloading for you. Like I said, it's a very, very small build, so all devices should work properly. And I do apologize, guys, but my voice feels like it's about to go at any moment. So if you're having a tough time hearing me or understanding me, I do apologize. I am like speaking right on top of the mic. Although I cannot talk for some reason. Like I said, everything is jumbled messages. So we're going to give it a second to download here. As you can see, we're almost halfway there. Now, if you guys have any questions, or if you have any comments, there's two ways that you can reach me. I always leave my email address down at the very bottom of the description box. So you can reach me there if you want, or you can actually just leave a general comment, and I will try to get back to you guys as soon as I can. I try to answer as many questions as I can. Eventually down the road, we're going to start doing live streaming with me, so you guys will be able to listen to me. You'll be able to ask questions right there live. We're going to be doing that. I'm also, like I said, in the process of actually developing my own builds. So one of these days you'll actually be able to see my own builds. So I'm looking forward to that and interacting with you guys more and more. But definitely don't forget to click on the link below and hit subscribe. Like I said, I don't believe you guys will be disappointed. We're almost done with the downloading phase, and now it's going to extract the files. We'll give it just a minute here to download and install. It's good to be back, guys. I really miss you guys. Like I said, I try to do these as much as I can. But with my work overload, it's been a little bit difficult to actually make videos. When I'm off a couple days out of the week, it's a lot easier because I can kind of stagger the videos a little bit. But when I work every day, I only get one day off. It's a little harder, especially with the kids too, and watching them. I have to do these videos later in the evening. And their little friend actually left to go to Florida, so so when they would run over there to play with her, a lot of times I'd try to pop out a video as well. But she actually left to go to Florida, so they have been homebodies, and it's a little bit harder. They love YouTube videos. I have a 4 and a 6 and 11-year-old, and they all watch all kinds of different videos. They're big into the Ryan's Toy Review and Funnel Vision and FETV or FTV, whatever it is. But they love that, and I am forced to watch it all day long myself. But, you know, YouTube's become a part of our family life. But I wouldn't have it any other way. I love working with you guys and getting to do these builds for you guys. So again, thank you all for watching and supporting me. All right, the first question it asks once it's done extracting is it'll ask if you want to back up the scanner profile. Always hit no. And then it'll ask if you want to join the contest for free. Hit no. And then hit OK, because you will need to force close Kodi. So as you see, we're back to the main menu, and you should be on your device's main menu as well. And whatever steps it takes, you want to go back into Kodi. If you have a Fire Stick, you'd have to go into Settings and then the Applications. All right, we're going to give the build a few minutes here to actually do its thing. Always recommend making sure you give the build enough time to download the skins and anything else that needs to download. There you go, skin shortcuts. Our building menu is downloading. And once you see all that, you can actually move on. It's a success. Alright, so we're going to take a look here. We've got TV shows, we've got music, we've got sports, kids, all in one, faves, add-ons, settings, power, TV guide, movies, and TV shows, and back to music. As you can see, for all of you all that like the widgets, we do have widgets. I love me some widgets, and I'd say probably a good portion of you guys do too. So let's go ahead and start. You can click up and you can actually scroll through the widgets. This is a very basic build, but it actually works really, really well. There's your Halloween 1978 version. We are a few hours away from Halloween. That's pretty cool, or trick-or-treat night. But you do have the options with the widgets there, and all you have to do is click on any one of those. And you can watch them that way. Alright, you can also scroll down, and you've got Bob, Skynet, Movies, Star Trek, Supremacy, FOTD, BEAU, Nemesis, UK Turk, Quantum, and then Bob Unleashed. You can scroll up and you can click on Movies, and it is your one and only favorite add-on. Now I love Covenant, but it actually looks nice because they've kind of changed the look here a little bit for this build. But you can see you got your Covenant menu there. You've got most popular, people watching. Just click on people watching, and there you go. You're going to have all of your most watched videos as of right now. Alright, so some great stuff there, guys. Just backspace twice, and then you're back out to the main menu. Just to let you know that the other one's working as well, we can go into, let's say, Nemesis. I'm going to give it a second to load, and there's top trending movies, movie by genres, Lord JD 4 movies, 123 movies, M4U movies, HD movies, Disney movies, so there's all kinds of options there. We can go into top trending movies, and there's the top trending movies as of right now. Now if you click to the left, at the very top you can do list, or you can do icons. So it gives you a couple of options there. If you did icons, you can click icons, and then right click, and it'll bring there, and that's pretty awesome there. I like that view. Nice. The only thing is it doesn't give you a synopsis of the movie. So if you click to the left, change it back to list. Well, that way didn't either, did it? Okay, but you can actually select any one of those, and you should be able to play it just fine. Alright, so we just hit backspace. And we'll move on. We got TV shows once again. You've got your widgets at the top. You also have UK Turk, Quantum, Cypher TV, Bob Unleashed, Skynet, Benu, Star Trek, Nemesis, IMDb shows. Let's go and click that. So there's click for IMDb TV show scraper. Let's see. New TV shows. There you go. So as you can see, everything's flowing pretty popularly. There's Jon Snow's new series, Gunpowder. I forget his name, actually. It's funny we start calling these people by their characters' names. But there's all kinds of options here. There's genres, networks. You can search by my TV shows, people search, and so on and so forth. So some really good stuff there. Under TV shows, you can also click on TV shows once again, and it's going to bring up your Covenant. Very nice, very nice. I like this build. Alright, moving on, we've got music. So if you have YouTube, you can sign in there. You can also select any of the now, that's what I call music albums right there, which is really cool. You can go into popular right now on YouTube, search. You can search for me, browse channels and live, and you can go into settings. So they've dedicated that to YouTube, which is really cool. You also can scroll all the way down. You got Quantum, Top 40, Beats, Now Music, Music Source, Bob Unleashed, Bayou, or BU, or whatever, STV Karaoke. There's Nemesis Concerts, Quantum, and so on and so forth. You can actually click on music, and there's a list of all the great choices you have there too. US Charts playlist. There you go, guys. There's Billboard Hot 100 Songs This Week, American Top 40 with Ryan Seacrest. All kinds of good stuff there. A lot of music options for you. Alright, next up is sports. You can scroll up. You got BT Sports, Sky Sports, A Stream Sports, and so on and so forth. BN, Pac-12. All kinds of good choices there. You can scroll down, and as you guys know, I like me some MMA. Coming up this weekend, it's going to be a great one if you guys have followed UFC fights in the past. You got Michael Bisping against George St. Pierre. So some old schoolers going at it again. So don't want to miss that. You can actually find that on BT Sports 2 on live pay-per-view, and it is free. Gotta love free. There's Nemesis, UK Turk, Skynet, Quantum, Supremacy, and a lot of different sports. Now, if you click on sports, I bet you it is probably Sports Devil. What would a build be without Sports Devil? Alright, moving on, guys. We got the kids section. You've got cartoons, Power Rangers, Digimon, Dora, kids movies. There's your anime. If you guys are anime fans, you got it. Cartoons. You can scroll up and you have all of the Disney movies. Check that out. All the way dating back to 1937. Did you all know that Snow White was the first? How about that, guys? So some great options there. Go into kids and give it a second to load. There you go. You got Quantum Kids, Oblivion Kids, Pyramid Kids, Fido Live, and the others as well. So very simple, very easy. This build maneuvers between all of the menus really nice. So all in one, we've got all these options there. There's 24/7 shows, 3D films, 4K movies, live TV. There's Supremacy IPTV. So if you're looking for live TV, we can go into that. And there you go, guys. There's UK channels. Ton of them. You got Sky Cinemas, 4 Channel, Sky Sports, and the list goes on and on. There's your BT Sport too. So some great stuff there. You also have your all-in-one add-ons, Pyramid, Skynet, Electrovault. Let's check that out. Everything working nice. You got latest movie releases. Let's go ahead and check that out. You also have an Xbox section. I just saw that. There's Baywatch, Deadpool. All these are at a 1080p. So if you're looking for good quality versions of the movies, there you go, guys. So great stuff there, guys. Great stuff. You also have Plex section, box sets, TV shows, Xbox section, live television servers. So there you go. As you see, all ones have just about everything in there. There's Ares Wizard even. So if you don't like this build, you can always go back into your Ares Wizard, select the build you want, and then hit Fresh Start that time. Alright, you can go into all-in-one, and it automatically brings up Bob Unleashed and all of its menus. Hey, moving on, we got faves. If you all save anything in your favorites, there you go. The Dead Files or Game of Thrones. And you can click on it and it'll bring up the same. You also have your add-ons. There's video add-ons. Some great stuff there. You also have your music add-ons if you've added anything, video add-ons, program add-ons, all add-ons, and weather. There you go. Okay, next is settings. Okay, click on settings. There's your interface. And if you go to services, go down to weather, click right, go into settings. It's set for Abertillery, Great Britain. But all you have to do is click on the location, type your zip in, hit done. And yes, I'm in West Virginia. Go ahead and click enter. Scroll to the right, click OK. And bam! I have my weather now. So, but you also have profiles, player, media, add-ons, and live TV. Plenty of options there. There you go. Right now, it's my forecast and my weather. All right, next up, we've got power. You've got your system updates, battery level, network, video, CPU, free memory, storage version. That's pretty cool. I like that a lot. You can also click on power, and there's your exit settings, skin settings, reload skin, which is really cool. You've got your TV guide. This is nice. You've got Skynet IPTV, MIC IPTV, BBC iPlayer ITV, Venue Live, Freeview, UK TV Play, Quantum, Cypher IBT. So if you're looking for live TV, there you go, guys. You got plenty of live TVs. And the cool thing about this is you have Mobro. If you guys don't have Mobro, I would definitely recommend it. It is very nice. It's very quick to pick up anything you need on live channels. So very nice. And then we're back to movies. So this is a great build. It's not real flashy, but it is actually a very, very nice build. It navigates well. Everything works properly. The movies, I've checked out the movies. Everything seems like it plays really wonderfully. And it's just a really nice build. So I would definitely recommend downloading and installing. I'll give it 2 thumbs up. If I had probably 3 thumbs, I'd probably give it 3 thumbs up, maybe 5. But anyway, thank you guys again for watching, and I really appreciate all the love and support. But don't forget to click on that link below. Let's see how many subscribers we can get. I love having you all on board, and I love being your all's Kodi source. I just want this channel to continue to grow and grow. And you know why? It's not because of me getting all you subscribers and I don't care if I have 1 subscriber or if I have 100,000 subscribers or even 1,000,000 subscribers. If I have 1, that means that's 1 person that I'm helping. That's 1 more reason why I do this, and that's to God's honest truth. When I first started this, I did it because I wanted to help you guys out. I wanted to make it easier for you guys that are newbies, that you don't have to go through all the things that I went through. I just want to be your #1 Kodi source. So with that said, I'm out of here. You guys have a great night. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on that bell. Don't forget to like the videos and leave your comments if you have any comments. I definitely would love to hear from you, get to know each and every one of you guys. So thank you guys. You all have a great night and enjoy.